Another fine vehicle offered by Texas Nissan of Grapevine.
This is a 2004 Infiniti QX56, a big SUV for big fun. Complementing this SUV's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features, which include power-adjustable driver pedals, a power driver's seat, a navigation system, a rear stereo, xenon headlights, dual airbags, and this vehicle has just over 80,000 miles. It features a 5.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Not to mention that this SUV qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this SUV in person.